If your ID has a special Park Assist Plus feature, it will recognize a suitable parking space and park your vehicle automatically. The parking assistant will steer, change gear and accelerate or brake accordingly. To activate the parking assistant for parallel parking, select Parking menu. Drive slowly at no more than 40 km/h, past a row of parked cars, and the parking assistant will automatically look for a space. The parking assistant will automatically select a suitable space and show it with a blue vehicle in the infotainment system. To start parking, brake after the space until your vehicle comes to a halt and keep your foot on the brake pedal. Press the start button in the infotainment system, let go of the steering wheel and release the brake. Your ID will now park itself. The parking assistant has a total of 12 ultrasound sensors and is thus able to recognize even tricky parking spaces on bends and between poles or trees. Once the parking maneuver is complete, a text message will appear in the infotainment system. The electronic parking brake will be activated automatically. To activate the parking assistant when you start looking for a parking space, select Parking menu. To park diagonally, drive past a row of parked cars at a speed of no more than 20 km/h. The parking assistant will automatically select a suitable space and show it with a blue vehicle in the infotainment system. To start the parking maneuver, brake until your vehicle comes to a halt and keep your foot on the brake pedal. After pressing the start button in the infotainment system, let go of the steering wheel and release the brake. The vehicle will start the parking maneuver. The ID.5 has also the Park Assist Plus with memory function. This goes one step further as the system works fully automatically. For example, it controls the motor and the brake too. Once the parking maneuver is complete, your ID will confirm this in the infotainment system and the electronic parking brake will be activated automatically. You can use the parking assistant to move your ID out of a parking space parallel to the road. To do this, turn on the ignition and keep your foot on the brake pedal. Indicate in the direction you intend to move out of the space. Activate the parking assistant by pressing the Parking menu button and confirm the maneuver for moving out of the space by pressing Start. Let go of the steering wheel and release the brake. The vehicle will start moving out of the space. Once the maneuver is complete, a text message will appear in the infotainment system. You can now start your journey.
Volkswagen.